Embrace tomorrow, understanding, trust in the future. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very inspiring phrase, trust in the future. It's a message of hope and optimism that we often hear, but what does it really mean? Especially for learners of English, understanding such phrases can enrich your language skills and offer insight into cultural attitudes. Let's explore together why this phrase is powerful and how you can use it in your everyday English. At its core, trust in the future is an encouragement to believe in the positivity of what lies ahead. It's about having confidence that good things will come, despite any current difficulties or uncertainties. This phrase embodies the idea of optimism and the belief in the potential for circumstances to improve over time. Trusting in the future is important for several reasons. It encourages us to remain hopeful and persistent in the face of challenges, knowing that better days are on the horizon. This mindset can be a source of strength and motivation, helping us to overcome obstacles and work towards our goals with a positive outlook. You can use trust in the future in various contexts. Motivational speeches or writings to inspire others. Personal reflections or journal entries when contemplating life's journey. Conversations with friends or family going through tough times, to offer support and encouragement. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. Even though things are hard right now, I trust in the future and believe that everything will work out. Our company has faced many challenges, but we trust in the future and are excited about what lies ahead. As you graduate and move on to the next chapter of your life, remember to trust in the future and all the possibilities it holds. Trust in the future is more than just a phrase. It's a mindset that encourages us to look forward with hope and optimism. By understanding and using this phrase, you can not only enhance your English language skills but also adopt a positive outlook on life. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and power of trusting in what's to come. Until next time, keep learning and don't forget to trust in the future.